Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pranks, specifically one that's guaranteed to bring laughter and maybe a little bit of disgust. That's right, we're talking about the Liquid Ass Prank Fart Spray. If you're looking for the best fart smell spray prank, you've come to the right place. Now, what exactly is Liquid Ass? This is a highly concentrated prank spray designed to mimic the most foul odors imaginable. Packaged in a 30 milliliter bottle, this little powerhouse promises to deliver a punch that will leave your friends gasping for fresh air. With its non-toxic formula, it's safe to use indoors. Just make sure to keep it out of reach of kids. Whether you're at a party or just hanging out with friends, this spray is a surefire way to get everyone laughing. So, how does it work? Using it is as easy as point and spray. Just follow the simple instructions on the bottle, and you're ready to unleash the hilarity. You simply spray it in a room or even on a friend, and watch as they recoil in shock and laughter. The concentrated formula ensures that just a few spritzes are enough to fill the area with a truly dreadful scent that will have people checking their shoes and looking for the source of the smell. Now let's talk about some creative ways to use Liquid Ass. Picture this. It's movie night, and your friends are all settled in with their popcorn. As the movie starts, you give a quick spray in the air. The looks on their faces when the smell hits will be priceless. Or perhaps you're at a family gathering. A well-timed spray during dinner could spark a laugh that will echo through the evening. Just be prepared for some playful retaliation. This product also makes for a fantastic gag gift. If you have friends who love pranks or enjoy a good laugh, wrapping up a bottle of Liquid Ass will undoubtedly bring a smile to their face. It's the perfect way to break the ice at parties, and it's a conversation starter that will keep everyone engaged. Plus, it's an affordable option at just $10.99, making it a fun addition to any prankster's toolkit. Now, while this product is all about fun, safety is key. Liquid Ass is designed to be non-toxic, but it's essential to use it responsibly. Make sure to avoid spraying it near your face or on sensitive skin. And always ensure good ventilation when using it indoors. After all, the last thing you want is a prank gone wrong that ruins the fun. If you're ready to step up your prank game, Liquid Ass is available on Amazon. Just a few clicks, and you can have this gag gift delivered right to your door. It's a great addition to your collection of gag toys, and who knows? You might even spark a prank war among your friends. So there you have it, folks. The Liquid Ass Prank Fart Spray is undoubtedly the best fart smell spray prank out there. It's funny, easy to use, and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more hilarious product insights and recommendations. Until next time, happy pranking, and remember, laughter is the best medicine, even if it stinks.